freckles are really cute, your natural ones.
I don't know, but then I really do like fuller coverage sometimes. So then I lose them, which is annoying. Anyway, I'm big on trying effortless ways to get these freckles back. And I came across this hack from an account called Makeup Madhouse.
Ooh.
She's basically, if you go on her account, she's a makeup artist. She does these crazy, like, impressive looks. But she posted this really, like, it looks like a really, really easy hack for getting instant fake freckles. She basically uses a brow gel.
Oh.
Is it a brow gel? She basically uses a brow gel and takes... should I have this out now or not yet? Yeah. She basically gets a brow gel and takes the wand out. Yeah. So you know how it's got the little brush at the end.
Yeah.
And she basically uses a brush and flicks the brow gel all over her face and scatters the most beautiful, like, smattering of freckles all over her face. Oh. It takes like 2 seconds. She's already got her makeup done. She gets a beauty blender and kind of blends them in a little bit, and it just looks so nice, so effortless, so clean girl, cool girl.
Because I've never put brow gel on my face.
This, I know. I know, but we're going to do it. And okay. I did it. I recorded the whole thing.
Oh my God. Which one are you using?
So I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in chocolate.
Nice. I've got the clear one of that.
Yes. They're really, really good, but they're expensive. This is like $40-something, I think, you can get from Adore Beauty. But there's loads of different brow gels on the market.
Yeah,
you've obviously got your Benefit brow gel.
You know which one's my favorite right now?
What?
The MP brow gel from
Models
Priceline.
Prefer.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's so good.
There's so many good ones at the chemist as well. So if you don't want to use your really expensive brow gel, just grab one from the chemist and try this.
Ooh.
Okay, I'll talk you through it though. I've recorded everything. Okay, so I tried this with a full face of makeup. I did my makeup beforehand. I'm ready to go out and I was like, I'm going to try this hack because it looks amazing. It looks like it's going to work. So I got my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. I took the applicator out.
Yeah.
And so it's got the little brush on the end. Mm-hmm. So following Makeup Madhouse's instructions, I used a little spoolie, like an end of a spoolie, and flicked it close to my face.
So you're using the end of the spoolie and you're like flicking the brush end of the brow gel onto your face.
Onto my face. So I held it like a little bit.
You look a bit
further.
confused.
I look confused because I'm like, why isn't this working? So I didn't feel like it was flicking on my face. Every time I looked in the mirror, I was like, okay, this is weird. It's not working.
If you're listening to this, you need to jump on our YouTube channel to watch Erin try this out.
It's so sad.
We'll put a link in our show notes.
I'm so
funny.
confused because I keep looking at it and I'm like, what's happening? So anyway, I was like, maybe it's my technique. So I moved it closer to my face. I'm literally like, is this going on my shirt?
Off at all?
Eventually, yes. So I put it.
You're trying really hard not to laugh.
Yeah. So I ended up putting the brush a little closer to my face, like really close actually, and flicking it directly over like my nose and over my cheeks. I've got my eyes closed, obviously.
Could you feel anything? Any products?
I couldn't feel anything, but I kept looking down at my shirt because I'm like, I'm about to go out, and I feel like it's all over my all over my shirt. Then I started doing it, opening one eye while I was doing it, just to be like. And then this big blotch basically hit me on the cheek, and it was.
Oh no!
Hang on, wait. A blotch.
So you did. So Erin had nothing on her face. She's trying really hard, and then suddenly, like one big gollop just
landed
cheek.
straight on my face. I think I put the brush too close to my cheek there, and then I tried to blend it in.
It just looked like bronzer,
and it just looked like
you got a little bruise.
A little bruise on my face. So I was so persistent. I was like, this will work.
We need to like take screenshots of your face doing this and post it on your beauty Instagram.
I'm so persistent.
I love how committed you are to this. You want it to work so
I wanted it to work so bad. So anyway, the final product.
Wait, there are some little specks. Like I'm seeing, wait, are those your natural freckles that I'm seeing, or those little specks?
So those are the specks. So I basically went close up. If you're watching,
she's got like 5 specks on her face.
I've got like 5 specks. No, there was actually a lot of little specks. Eventually, it took me ages to actually get any kind of product on my face. Anyway, I had little specks all over my face. So I was like, I'm going to do what Makeup Madhouse did and use a beauty blender and kind of See?
Okay, she's rubbing them off and they're just creating these streaks.
I look like I have a
cheek.
mustache. So because I've started kind of like blending them in. But as I was blending them in, I was like, oh my gosh, these literally just look like blackheads.
You know what it looks like? That you've put brow gel on your face. Erin is shocked. Erin is shocked in this video at what's going on.
You've got to give me an A for effort.
Oh, Erin, you sweet angel. You seem so upset that this isn't working.
I tried my darndest. I blended them in because it did look like I had blackheads. So then I kept blending them in, and then I was like, this just isn't working. It just looks like,
Oh, it looks like you have tiny, because like they're streaking a tiny bit, so it looks like you have little hairs.
Yeah.
Which
it looks like blackheads or hairs.
I'm a PCOS girl, so it sounds like you're just an ally.
It just didn't work, and I so wanted it to work. I tried like every kind of technique.
Did you try just using the brush from the brow gel and just like dabbing the brush on your face?
But I feel like when it kind of like spotted on my face before, and it just went like in a big
clunk.
Big clunk of product. It just didn't work. I feel.
You know what you could have tried? Sorry, I really feel like
I
this
wish
could
I
work.
gave you a call while I was doing this.
Maybe like taking a brush and dipping the brush straight in the gel and then
flicking it out.
Yeah. But I feel like it's also not the right product to be doing it with, because even when you're blending it, even the little specks that you had when you're blending it, like it just looking streaky, like it doesn't stay in that like speckled form.
I just don't know if the brow gel itself was too dark as well, because it did look like I had just, black little spots on my face. If I went for maybe a lighter one, maybe it could have worked better. But again, I tried every technique.
What about like a dark concealer maybe?
I think I'll just go back to using my brow pencil and just spotting, like just adding little
manually.
freckles with.
Gotta put some time
it takes
in.
time though, and you know what? I just don't know. Over summer, I'm just kind of like, I usually wear sheer on makeup anyway, so I might just sheer it down, let my freckles come out.
I feel like you're on the right track though. I feel like we're slowly getting there.
Anyway, it was a giant fail.
This looked like it took a long time to film. Just how long did this take?
It literally took me like 15-20 minutes.
Oh,
to get my makeup back
yeah.
to looking good, because I was about to go out and I was literally like, this is the last thing. I'm going to flick these all over my nose. I'm going to go out.
And you already had your makeup on.
So it was a giant fail.
The good thing is that you did it for the greater good. So no one else will be spending 15 to 20 minutes trying this out.
Exactly. So there we go. I gave it a red hot go. Didn't work, but there's lots of other options out there. Either go for a sheer makeup or sheer foundation if you've got freckles, or maybe try the brow pencil.
Yeah.
Just good old brow pencil always works.